You've seen all the silly videos from the shade manufacturers, people jumping on the fabric, people shooting 2x4s at the fabric, people shaking it, all to show that their fabric's not going to pop out of the track in the wind. To get it out of the way, here's a Christian Hulk attacking our shade. To debunk all the myths out there, it's not the impact that gets the fabric to pull out. Pretty much all of us use a sonic weld in the market, whether it's a Keter system or a zipper system. Sorry boys, size does matter. It's not the impact of the fabric, it's how the Keter system or the zipper system is feeding in the funnel. We have the longest funnel on the market, and this is what's preventing the blowouts. If you want to see how the Costa shade measures up, give us a call.